to share with you what I wish I knew starting out on YouTube. Understanding the analytics, the importance of the analytics. You know, there's certain analytics that we have in our back office, the tools. As a matter of fact, I want to show you something right here. Scroll down on your analytics in your back page. If you look at those analytics, one thing I wish I knew is that I could go to one metric, and that is the top videos for a specific period. Let's say I chose the 28 days. Go to 28 days, it shows me my top videos. Had I known then what I know now about analytics, I would have said, hey, you know, let me make some more videos just like these. These are the top ones that people are enjoying. So yeah, check out your analytics. One thing that I wish I knew then that I know now is the importance of our analytics. That's so important when it comes to growing. The analytics that we have in our back office, those are tools, and we have all types of tools to help us grow our YouTube channels, to help us grow on this platform. I'm gonna take some time to show some love to all of my subscribers, all of you who've been viewing, coming back to the channel, checking it out, leaving comments, all of that. Thank you. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Some of you may be watching this right now and you haven't really made that choice to go ahead and get on out there. I want to encourage you. It's never too late. I put together this playlist right here. It includes 5 powerful clips giving you 5 signs to let you know, is this thing for you? So before you give up, before you say I'm done, check out that playlist right there. Watch those videos. See me over there. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level.